Hit rock bottom is a figurative expression used to describe reaching the lowest point or experiencing the worst possible situation in one's life or a particular circumstance. It signifies a state of extreme despair, failure, or adversity. The phrase hit rock bottom originates from the concept of reaching the lowest point in a physical sense, where one cannot descend any further. Metaphorically, it represents a similar notion of reaching a point of such deep struggle or hardship that it feels impossible to go any lower. When someone hits rock bottom, they have often exhausted all resources, support systems, or coping mechanisms. It can occur in various aspects of life, including personal, emotional, financial, or physical well-being. Examples include experiencing severe addiction, enduring significant financial loss, facing a major personal crisis, or suffering from a prolonged period of emotional distress. Hitting rock bottom often involves a loss of hope, a sense of powerlessness, and a feeling of being trapped. It can be a turning point, however, as it may provide the necessary motivation for individuals to seek help, make significant changes, or embark on a journey of recovery and personal growth. Hitting rock bottom is a subjective experience, as what may be rock bottom for one person may not be the same for another. It is important to recognize that individuals have different thresholds and coping mechanisms, and what may seem like a minor setback to some can feel like hitting rock bottom for others. Hitting rock bottom can serve as a catalyst for transformation and personal development. It can provide individuals with a wake-up call, forcing them to confront their circumstances, make necessary changes, and seek support. It can also lead to a reassessment of one's priorities, values, and goals, ultimately leading to a path of resilience and growth. Recovering from hitting rock bottom often requires a combination of self-reflection, determination, and external support. This can involve seeking therapy or counseling, joining support groups, building a strong social network, or accessing professional help specific to the situation at hand. It is important to note that hitting rock bottom is not a linear process, and progress may involve setbacks and challenges. However, with perseverance and support, individuals can rise from the depths of despair and rebuild their lives. In summary, hitting rock bottom refers to reaching the lowest point or experiencing the worst possible situation in one's life. It represents a state of extreme adversity, often resulting in feelings of despair, powerlessness, and loss. However, hitting rock bottom can also serve as a catalyst for personal growth, prompting individuals to seek help, make necessary changes, and embark on a journey of recovery and resilience. With support and determination, individuals can rise from the depths of their struggles and rebuild their lives.